a part of the book this coming Saturday. But of course, it's community link, and so I'm linking with Sharon Evening with her sickle cell venture. This is how we started off this, ladies and gentlemen. We want to get up into this thing that Cher is about her sickle cell venture. Hello, Sharon Hamilton Pearson.
Good evening to you, Lady D, and also to all the listeners who are logged in. Right now, to you.
Yes, we're in the zone for true.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm checking to see if we're.
Oh, am I on? Okay.
We should
That's
be.
good, right?
Yes.
You're hearing some levels. Okay. Get in Radio Land. Everyone logged on to Linkage Radio. This is your friend, Sharon P. again.
Mm-hmm.
In the house.
And
On the other mic. Or Michelle.
As gentlemen say, okay, here we go. All right, let me say again to everyone logged in, listening to Lady D. It's me, Sharon P. in the
that's
house.
right. I love when she says Sharon P.
Sharon P.
Yes, it has a nice flair to it. So, Cher, how are you doing?
Good. I'm a bit frazzled because you know me.
You know, I'm looking at the clock.
Challenged, time challenged. I'm trying. I'm really trying.
So where is she now? But
I'm
it's
really
so nice
trying.
to have you. And I was just here admiring her. She's looking kind of snazzy here. But she's showing me whatever else. I'm like, sure, please.
There's always got to be something. We're
no.
all flawed.
Bodying all of that now. Separate. So, we're going to be talking about POBH Walk Saturday.
Yes.
What is POBH?
Okay, POBH is an acronym for People of Black Heritage. Today he thought he stood for coincidentally or from England.
Mm-hmm.
So we are all community minded and we're all activists, and we decided to come together. And I'm just looking at our folder of records, and I actually see that we formed a business in 2002, People of Black Heritage. So I have to talk to our original members: Judith Blackwood, Denise Omeni, who's still a member, myself, and Sharon Bailey.
Okay.
Those were the four original members who took it from a business idea, and it morphed from 2002 into what we have now in 2016.
Well, congratulations.
I didn't realize that we've been going for so long. I remember our first event, we actually, we were so innocent in those days.
Well, I saw the photo.
And naive. We actually decided to bring the play Life and Death to, was then Richard Green School in the Bronx. So we hired the film, we hired a projector. It cost a fortune. But we also want to say thank you to the New Testament School, who was our first recipient of fundraisers. So People of Black Heritage, the mission statement is to provide community-based support services that empower and enhance the quality of life of underrepresented inner city residents. And our motto is People of Black Heritage, making a difference, improving the lives of people in our community.
Oh, that's good. Sounding good.
But what we do is small works. We don't work on a grand scale. So we do small works that really do make a difference.
Okay.
And the inception, we've always thought about sickle cell because one of our members, Penny Morgan, is a sickler.
Sickler.
She has traits. So, and I have family members, a family member in the UK who is really suffering with sickle cell.
Okay. Now, how has the response been over the years?
Some years we have a very response, and other years is good. But you know, we're dogged because we understand it's not about a quick fix, instant gratification. You need to really know that you're committed to anything that you're involved with.
Right.
So whether it's 5 people that turn up, or you know, we've had one occasion where one person turned up, but the walk still went ahead. But I think, you know, we have the discussion. We had a conference call week, and you know, we have 2 new members, Lisa Talana and also Marla Cannoneer. So I want to say publicly welcome to those 2 new members, and the 2 original members remain myself, Sharon Hamilton Pearson, and Denise Omeni. So we're continuing with the work.
Okay.
So the thing is, we don't know if it's that people don't understand what sickle cell is, or because people see it as a, quotes,
Yes.
disease. It doesn't get the prominence that many breast cancer or leukemia or any of the other, I call them the sexy diseases, get. But it's important to our community. Italians get a trait of sickle cell called thalassemia. So it's something that people really should get behind, because it may not affect you or your family, but if you're a teacher, then probably in your classroom you'll find one child that has the trait. And it can be very debilitating.
Yes.
So,
and I'm sure, you know, there are people who have, through the walk over the years, learned and benefited.
Absolutely. I mean, for such a small organization, I'm very proud that the group has been able to contribute over $2,000 donation to Columbia University for their research into sickle cell.
Well, congrats, Cher.
I mean, we'll lick a butt with Talawa.
Of course. And that's a reasonable sum for a small group.
Organization. Yeah, this is just from people who come on the walk and get sponsors. They decide to sponsor. So, well, basically what we do is every October, and this is another thing, point that we have up for discussion, because of course sickle cell month is September.
Yes.
We decided to walk in October because the calendar was so crowded for September. And you know, my argument is no matter when you decide to have an event, there's always connecting events, but you have to just be steadfast in your commitment and go ahead. So the walk is taking place. It always takes place the week after Memorial Weekend or the week of Memorial Weekend. So this year, 2016, it's happening on Saturday, October the 15th. And we've chosen a completely different location. We normally walk in Prospect Park, but this year we decided to change the scene and have more scenic routes. So we're walking in Riverside Park on the West Side Highway.
Okay.
Entrance at 72nd Street.
And the walk starts at what time?
10 a.m.
And you end at what time?
We finish normally, everybody's on their way by midday at the latest. Normally 11:30. We wrap up and everyone's on their way by 12. So
okay.
that's what we're hoping.
And in the past, how many people have come out?
We've had up to 50 people that have come out on the walk. It just depends on getting the word out there. So I really want to thank you, Lady D, for giving us the opportunity. We know that you've given us opportunities in the past, but thank you again. Yes,
always, always. This Saturday, ladies and gentlemen, the PPH Walk, a mile for sickle cell, this Saturday, October 15th, starting at 10 a.m. You'll be from
Riverside Park, the entrance to Riverside Park at 72nd Street.
Okay.
That's on the West Side Highway. It's a great walk. It's a scenic walk, and I understand the weather on Saturday is going to be glorious.
Wonderful.
So if you exercise Saturday morning, come and exercise with us. It's for a very good cause.
Yes. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are listening and you want to be a part of this walk on Saturday, then I invite you to, make Hunt with Sharon.
Sharon Hamilton Pearson. You can find me on Facebook, Sharon Hamilton Pearson, or you can contact Lady D.
Mm-hmm.
She has the flyer show. She has information. Or you call me at 347-485-1154. That's 347-485-1154.
All right, Cher.
Come
Thank
out.
you for stopping.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank
of
you.
course, there's a platform where we're connecting our community. So it's center stage today, the platform where
Okay.
voices are heard and people connect.
Wow, I love it.
And
Center
we're-
stage.
Yes.
So
So
we're on the center
you're on
stage.
the center stage. So just pose. She's posing, by the way.
And there's someone beating down the door. I don't know. Do you have a debt collector out there, Lady D?
Not that I know.
It's a lady.
Yes.
Okay, it's King. All right, let me go open the.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who would like to join the walk this coming Saturday, it starts at 10 a.m. And, that's what we do here on the show. We extend an invitation. We ask persons, what are you doing in your community? Would you like to share it? You call me here at the station, and I will be able to give you all the information that you need. You come on, you talk about what you're doing, and link people. We network. We try to bring all the information that we can. This evening, of course, coming up at 7 p.m., Dr. Mon Martin will be joining me, and we're talking about cesarean section. Why is it performed? Is it risky? So many questions we have to ask Dr. Martin this evening, and she is capable of answering. Stay with us anyway.
That's affecting me. We're all in this thing together. We gotta work it out. We gotta work it out. We're all in this thing together. We gotta work it out. We gotta work it out. Just because you live out on a hill and I live down here on the ground, all the things that are going on that's affecting me indirectly affects you, whether you know it or not. We're all in this thing together. We gotta work it out. Gotta work it out. We're all in this together. We gotta work it out. We gotta work it out. You see them bouncing up the wall.
Good evening. How are you? Welcome to Center Stage.
Yes, center stage. Good afternoon. I just like what's the closest train to that walkathon thing? How long would be the walkathon thing be for Saturday at 10 o'clock?
All right. Who are we talking to this evening?
Welcome. Thank you.
Hello.
Hey,
Miss-
Mickey.
Hi, Mr. Timothy. You really got me napping on that one. I must confess, I'm a driver, so I'd have to get the information for you. The walk will take, it won't take maybe an hour if you're a really slow walker. Some finish in 20 minutes. Some people run it. It's 5K, so it's 3-point-something miles,
How much miles? 3.4 miles?
something like that. 3.3, 3.1, something like that.
Oh, to one.
I think is it 2.1 or 3.1?
Okay, all right. So that's about, between 2.25 miles thereabout.
Right, okay. We normally say 5K walk. Of course, we're lazy. We don't do the conversion. So, but if you are interested, I'm sure
So I could take the 2 train, come off at 72nd,
absolutely
but I have a long walk ahead of me.
to walk across to Riverside Park.
Right, it's a few blocks, maybe 5 blocks or
But
something.
let me give you my number because I'd be happy to meet you at the train station and just drive you over.
Oh, okay.
So,
What's the number?
my number is 347
Uh-huh.
485
485
1154.
115
454 1154.
1154. Okay. All right. Thank you very much,
If you call
ma'am.
me now, then we can make arrangements to meet up on Saturday.
Okay, no problem.
I
Thank
really
you.
appreciate that. Thank
All
you.
right, Mikey. Thank you for calling. Okay. Good, Cher. So there. Would anyone else like to call?
Yes, because
Quickly.
I'd like to fill up the car.
Yes.
It's a 5-seater. If you can hold 5 small
Okay.
persons, and I'd be willing to do that because yes, I'm not someone who travels on public transport.
Right. So,
So
you
I'm
really
not sure,
don't
but
know.
I mentioned the second, the two. And as I said, it's a very scenic route, so we're going to have fun.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, I'm doing my part here because, but I'm so happy you came, and the word is going out, Sharon. The word
Thank
is
you.
going out. All
And
right.
I'm rushing off now because you know how it goes, right?
I realize that.
Thank you so much.
You're
Lady.
always welcome, Cher. Take it easy. Blessings to you, too. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the show continues, wrapping up. Community Link. My guest, Sharon Hamilton Pearson.